Today, for the last 2 days, I am truly engaged with the econometrics workshop, which was organized by Department of Economics. And truly speaking, to my mind, I believe that such activity should strengthen and create that gap which we are analyzing.
The Chitkara University, especially Department of Economics, is doing a great job to make such leaders where we could understand that in the market, professionals from econometrics are not much more, but the way department is taking care of, the way university is taking care of, and the way the leaders of university taking care of, this shows a very personal touch to all the students. I'm thankful to the administration and the faculty members, and I extend a very warm wishes to the stakeholders and the students of this department.